Hey guys, welcome to MNMMPT NAATI YouTube channel. Today again I'm sharing one of the experiments that I've done, and this is regarding write from dictation. Now a lot of students have this very common question: can we add words in write from dictation? Can we add 2 words, 3 words, or whatever number of words in write from dictation, because you might be getting some confusion or whatever. So let us see what experiment I have done, what scores I have got after doing that experiment, so that you can understand what is good for you, what is bad for you. And before I start, all I want to share is, if you are after one-on-one consultations with us, whether it is 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even more, you can always get in touch with us using Instagram or Facebook Messenger. Just search for MNMMPT NAATI and you'll find us. Also, if you are after crash course or coaching sessions for your PT or for your NAATI, Hindi, Gujarati or Punjabi, then you can also get in touch with us using the same medium, Instagram and Facebook Messenger. Just search for MNMMPT NAATI. We are more than happy to have a discussion, and we can see what is the best help that will help you to get your score, whether it is PT or NAATI. Let's get started first. Now, this is the score that I got in my experiment. So for this video, please just focus on the score of listening and writing. So we will ignore the scores of speaking and reading. For listening and writing, all I have done is write from dictation. I have not attempted any other question apart from write from dictation that contributes scores to listening and writing. All right. I got 3 write from dictations in my exam, and I have attempted all of them. I did not skip any of them. When I attempt 3 write from dictation and I add as many words I could, there is always a limit, because beyond a certain limit I could not add any further words. I will share that with you as well. I will share the screenshots of the words I added, and after that I have got 37 in listening and writing 46, which is pretty much a full score, because I only got 3 dictations. I did not get 4 dictations. So if you add words, I would say it is safe to add words. If there is any confusion, let's say singular, plural, or past tense, present tense, or a confusion between a spelling, it is okay to add words, but only add if you feel you need to add. Don't just deliberately keep on adding words because you want to. That is not something I'm encouraging here. If there is a confusion for a word, let's say you are confused whether the answer is a singular word or a plural word, then you can write down both the words just to be on a safer side. Alright, so these are my 3 screenshots that I have taken. This is the first sentence. It is absolutely, I have repeated the word absolutely twice. Vital, I have repeated twice. That you acknowledge, I have repeated twice. So one acknowledge is present tense, one is past tense. All your sources, source, again I've repeated twice, which means one is plural and one is singular. So it is absolutely vital that you acknowledge all your sources. That was the answer. So I have written the correct answer, but if you have a look, I have added 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 words in total I have added just in one write from dictation, and still I have got a full score, almost a full score I would say. So because the reason I have added only 4 words and not 5, 6 or 7 words is because beyond this point it did not allow me to add any further words. That's why I could not add more words. Otherwise I wanted to add a few more words and see. So in this sentence it only allowed me to add 4 words. Now in spite of adding 4 words, I have still made sure that I'm writing those correct words, which are obviously part of the answer, but you can have a look at it yourself that I have included the correct answer but also added 4 words in this write from dictation. Let us move on to the next one. This is the next one. So in any written assignment, a detailed, so detailed word I've added again. One is past tense, one is present tense. Literature I've added again. Spelling, one spelling is right, the first one spelling is right, the second spelling is wrong. Review I have added again. Reviews, one is singular, one is plural, because mostly the confusion is this present tense, past tense, singular, plural, or spellings. So I have tried everything, okay, is very important. So in this question I have added 3 extra words: detail, literature with a wrong spelling, and reviews. 3 words. So first sentence I added 4 words, second sentence I added 3 words. Still I got a full score. Let's move on to the next sentence. Control system, then again systems with a S. In is something I have added because is manufacturing is the correct answer. In, the word in was not a part of the sentence. I have added it from my own. Provide, provides, again another word added. A high level of accuracy. Controversy, accuracy is the correct answer. Controversy I have added from my own, because this is also one of the reason that students add words, is because they get confused between 2 words, between homophones, the words that sound alike, like controversy, accuracy, especially if the text, the audio is very fast. You might get confused. Was it accuracy? Was it controversy? And then you write down both the words. So I have tried all the possibilities of how students can add words. Again, if you have a look, one word is controversy, then another word is provides, then another word is in, and then another word is systems. So I have again added 4 words in this right from dictation because it did not allow me to add any further. So 4 words added in the first sentence, 3 words added in the second sentence, and again 4 words added in the third sentence. As I said, I only got 3 questions. So after adding 11 words for 3 right from dictation, 11 words in total, 4, 3, and then another 4, I have managed getting 37 in listening and 46 marks in writing. Obviously, if you get 4 dictations, it will increase, the number will increase. But all I'm trying to say is, if you are confused between 2 words, if you are confused whether it is a singular or a plural, if you are confused whether it is a present tense or a past tense, or if you are confused between the spellings, if you have such confusion and if the system is allowing you to add words, go for it. You will not lose any marks. Make sure that you write down whatever you have to write down, and you only add if you are confused. You only add if you feel that you should add because you don't feel safe without adding that word. You're not very confident. Otherwise, if you are confident that whatever you have written is the right answer, then there is no need to add any word unnecessarily. I hope this experiment of adding words in right from dictation will help a lot of students, especially students who struggle with spellings and remembering whether it is a singular or a plural word. But if you feel that we should experiment anything else in PTE exam that can help you, we are open to those suggestions. Just put those suggestions in the comment section below, and we will give more and more exams, and we will do more and more experiments for our students and help them by sharing whatever we have done, what scores we have got, so that you can implement the same, or if not required, then not implement the same in your exam, and you can get your score in the first trial. All right, I wish you all the luck, practice hard, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.